Y'all like revive. We got to a face review without sending the likes. There's a face. Yay! She's covering her voice because she never did a face reveal. But I will. Bro! I rolled off of the bed last night and I couldn't even sleep till the morning. And I'm looking at my sister right now. It is so wonderful. But I but oh my god, this storm in America it's so early. Yeah, so we love it. We love it flambo. Terus one flambo bikin apa sih?